हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप यू विल बी फाइन एंड हेल्दी एंड कीप्स रिवाइजिंग योर सेल्फ। फ्रेंड्स, सिलेक्शन पाने का बस एक ही मूल मंत्र है। ये 3 बातें हमेशा याद रखिए। पहला, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। आप अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखिए कि यदि मैं मेहनत से लगातार तैयारी करूंगा तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, ये पक्का है। दूसरा, रिगरस रिवीजन लगातार करेंगे। नया नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो एक बार के लिए चल जाएगा, बट पहले रिवीजन करेंगे फिर नया पढ़ेंगे। तीसरा, कंटिन्यूअसली क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस। क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस लगातार करना है। क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस से याद हुई चीज़ें कभी भूलती नहीं हैं। यही कड़वासर है, बाकी सब मोहमाया है दोस्तों। और हमारी वीडियोज़ में रिवीजन और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस दोनों साथ साथ हो जाती है। आई होप आवर वीडियोज़ आर ऑलवेज हेल्प्स एंड मेक्स ईजियर योर प्रिपरेशन एंड रिड्यूस योर एफर्ट्स। सो इस सेशन को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि कितने क्वेश्चन आपके सही हुए। और पीडीएफ पाने के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। अगर हमारी वीडियो आपको 1% भी यूजफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। First question is, in most simple type of canal system of porifera, water flows through which one of the following way? A. Ostia spongiosil osculum exterior. B. Spongiosil ostia osculum exterior. C. Osculum spongiosil ostia exterior. D. Osculum ostia spongiosil exterior. Correct answer is option A. Ostia spongiosil osculum exterior. Next, in case of poriferans, the spongiosil is lined with flagellated cells called A. Ostia. B. Osculum. C. Coinocytes. D. Mesenchymal cells. Correct answer is option C. Coinocytes. Next, the skeleton of animals belonging to phylum Porifera are made up of A. Spicules. B. Spiracles. C. Calcareous cells. D. Keratin fibers. Correct answer is option A. Spicules. Next, which of the following is not true regarding phylum Coelenterata? A. They are diploblastic animals. B. They have cellular level of organization. C. They have nematocyte cells present on the tentacles. D. The gastrovascular opening is called the hypostome. Correct answer is option B. They have cellular level of organization. Next, metagenesis is observed in A. Hydra. B. Cycon. C. Obelia. D. Adamsia. Correct answer is option C. Obelia. Next, body forms present in cnidarians are A. Cylindrical and umbrella shaped. B. Corals and coral reefs. C. Polyp and medusa. D. Cnidoblasts and nematocysts. Correct answer is option C. Polyp and medusa. Next, comb jellies is the name given to phylum A. Echinodermata. B. Ctenophora. C. Annelida. D. Mollusca. Correct answer is option B. Ctenophora. Next, identifying feature of phylum Ctenophora is A. The presence of comb plates and appearance like jellies. B. The presence of comb plates only. C. The presence of tentacles only. D. Alternation of generations only. Correct answer is option A. The presence of comb plates and appearance like jellies. Next, bioluminescence is characteristic feature of phylum A. Ctenoplana. B. Coelenterata. C. Ctenophora. D. Mollusca. Correct answer is option C. Ctenophora. Next, reproduction in Ctenoplana takes place by A. Budding. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Binary fission. D. Multiple fission. Correct answer is option B. Sexual reproduction. Next, platyhelminthes have hooks and suckers and act as an endoparasite on other animals. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is option A. True. Next, Aschelminthes are usually A. Dioecious. B. Hermaphrodites. C. Metagenic. D. Coelomates. Correct answer is option A. Dioecious. Next, the level of organization in Platyhelminthes is A. Cellular level. B. Tissue level. C. Organ level. D. Organ system level. Correct answer is option C. Organ level. Next, coelom derived from blastocele is known as A. Enterocoelom. B. Schizoscoelom. C. Pseudocoelom. D. Hemocoelom. Correct answer is option C. Pseudocoelom. Next, identify the characteristic of a coelomates. A. Absence of mesoderm. B. Absence of brain. C. Coelom that is incompletely lined with a mesoderm. D. Solid body without a cavity surrounding internal organs. Correct answer is option D. Solid body without a cavity surrounding internal organs. Next, the canal system in sponges develops due to A. Porous walls. B. Gastrovascular system. C. Reproduction. D. Folding of inner walls. Correct answer is option D. Folding of inner walls. Next, Ascaris is characterized by A. Presence of true coelom and metamerism. B. Presence of true coelom but the absence of metamerism. C. Absence of true coelom and metamerism. D. Absence of true coelom but the presence of metamerism. Correct answer is option C. Absence of true coelom and metamerism. Next, radial symmetry is found in A. Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes. B. Coelenterata and Echinodermata. C. Arthropoda and Mollusca. D. Porifera and Coelenterata. Correct answer is option B. Coelenterata and Echinodermata. Next, digestion in sponges occur in A. Spongocoel. B. Osculum. C. Ostium. D. Food vacuoles. Correct answer is option D. Food vacuoles. Next, classification of Porifera is based on A. Branching. B. Spicules skeleton. C. Reproduction. D. Symmetry. Correct answer is option B. Spicules skeleton. Next, excretion in flatworms occur by A. Nephridia. B. Flame cells. C. Malpighian tubules. D. Green glands. Correct answer is option B. Flame cells. Next, bladderworm Cystostachys is the larva of A. Liver fluke. B. Tapeworm. C. Nereis. D. Mussel. Correct answer is option B. Tapeworm. Next, a parasite having no intermediate host is A. Tapeworm. B. Liver fluke. C. Ascaris. D. Plasmodium. Correct answer is option C. Ascaris. Next, animal without respiratory, circulatory and excretory systems are A. Liver flukes. B. Tapeworms. C. Sponges. D. Threadworms. Correct answer is option C. Sponges. Next, which of the following belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes? A. Trypanosoma. B. Schistosoma. C. Plasmodium. D. Vauchereria. Correct answer is option B. Schistosoma. Next, solanocytes are excretory organs of A. Platyhelminthes. B. Annelida. C. Mollusca. D. Echinodermata. Correct answer is option A. Platyhelminthes. Next, which one of the following groups of animals is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic? A. Aschelminthes roundworms. B. Coelentrates cnidarians. C. Ptenophores. D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Aschelminthes roundworms. The phylum Annelida derived its name due to A. More organs are placed toward anterior part of the body. B. The presence of antenna. C. The presence of nephridia. D. The presence of metamers. Correct answer is option D. The presence of metamers. Next, members of phylum Annelida have A. Nephridia excretion. B. Parapodia swimming. C. Double ventral nerve cord neural system. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next, the animals belonging to phylum Annelida use the following in locomotion: A. Nephridia and nephridial pores. B. Longitudinal and circular muscles. C. Organs of bursa. D. Spicules and ostia. Correct answer is option B. Longitudinal and circular muscles. Next, which one of the following features is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? A. Metameric segmentation. B. Parapodia. C. Jointed appendages. D. Chitinous exoskeleton. Correct answer is option B. Parapodia. Next, the option that is not the respiratory organ of phylum Arthropoda is A. Tracheal system. B. Gills. C. Water vascular system. D. Book lungs. Correct answer is option C. Water vascular system. Next, Malpighian tubules are A. Excretory organs of insects. B. Excretory organs of frog. C. Respiratory organs of insects. D. Endocrine glands of insects. Correct answer is option A. Excretory organs of insects. Next, the body of organisms belonging to phylum Mollusca is divided into A. Head, thorax and abdomen. B. Head, muscular foot and abdomen. C. Head, thorax, visceral hump and muscular foot. D. Head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Correct answer is option D. Head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Next, what is true about mollusca? A. The presence of metameric segmentation. B. The presence of mental cavity and coelomic cavity. C. The presence of tissue level of organization. D. The presence of chitinous exoskeleton. Correct answer is option B. The presence of mental cavity and coelomic cavity. Next, choose the incorrect option for phylum Mollusca. A. Body is covered by a calcareous shell and unsegmented. B. Feather-like gills present for excretion and respiration. C. The anterior head region had sensory tentacles. D. Mostly terrestrial, triploblastic and acoelomates. Correct answer is option D. Mostly terrestrial, triploblastic and acoelomates. Next, the organ that enables feeding in phylum Mollusca is A. Ctenidia, B. Undulating membrane, C. Ganglia, D. Radula. Correct answer is option D. Radula. Next, the nature of exoskeleton in echinoderms is A. Calcareous, B. Chitinous, C. Siliceous, D. Tunisian. Correct answer is option B. Chitinous. Next, the notocard-like structure of hemichordates is called A. Proboscis, B. Pyloric, C. Protocard, D. Stomachard. Correct answer is option D. Stomachard. Next, select the features which are present in hemichordates. A. Stomachard, B. Worm-like body, C. Gills, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next, the body of Balanoglossus is divided into A. Head and trunk, B. Head, neck and abdomen, C. Proboscis, collar and trunk, D. Prosoma, mesosoma and metasoma. Correct answer is option C. Proboscis, collar and trunk. Next, phylum Chordata is divided into subphyla, namely A. Vertebrata, Protochordata and Urochordata, B. Urochordata, Gnathochordata, Vertebrata and Cephalochordata, C. Urochordata, Tunicata and Vertebrata, D. Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Correct answer is option D. Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Next, the member of which of the following are often referred as protochordates? A. Urochordata, B. Cephalochordata, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Next, which of the following options about the class Cyclostomata is incorrect? A. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. B. Elongated body bearing scales and paired fins. C. Gill slits for respiration. D. Sucking and circular mouth. Correct answer is option B. Elongated body bearing scales and paired fins. Next, chondrichthyes is characterized by tooth-shaped A. Placoid scale with dorsal mouth, B. Ctenoid scale with dorsal mouth, C. Ctenoid scale with ventral mouth, D. Placoid scale with ventral mouth. Correct answer is option D. Placoid scale with ventral mouth. Next, which statement is incorrect about class chondrichthyes? A. Presence of placoid scales, B. Presence of air bladder, C. Presence of cartilaginous endoskeleton, D. Notocard is persistent only at larval stage, after that it disappears. Correct answer is option D. Notocard is persistent only at larval stage, after that it disappears. Next, body cavity in arthropods is A. Coelom, B. Hemocoel, C. Pseudocoel, D. Coelentron. Correct answer is option B. Hemocoel. Next, pair of heads present in earthworm are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer is option D. 4. Next, mollusk group in which eye resemble the vertebrate eye is A. Bivalvia, B. Gastropoda, C. Scaphopoda, D. Cephalopoda. Correct answer is option D. Cephalopoda. Next, a phylum that includes exclusively marine animals is A. Porifera, B. Coelenterata, C. Protozoa, D. Echinodermata. Correct answer is option D. Echinodermata. Next, sea star belongs to the class A. Crinoidea, B. Echinoidea, C. Asteroidea, D. Furoidea. Correct answer is option C. Asteroidea. Next, besides Annelida and Arthropoda, the metamerism is exhibited by A. Acanthocephala, B. Chordata, C. Mollusca, D. Cestoda. Correct answer is option D. Cestoda. Next, which of the following is an egg-laying mammal? A. Kangaroo, B. Ratus, C. Ornithorhynchus, D. Orictolagus. Correct answer is option C. Ornithorhynchus. Next, Hirudinaria and Ferretima are the representative of the phylum A. Nidaria, B. Platyhelminthes, C. Annelida, D. Nemathelminthes. Correct answer is option C. Annelida. Next, select the correct pair. A. Arthropoda silverfish, B. Pisces jellyfish, C. Echinodermata cuttlefish, D. Mollusca starfish. Correct answer is option A. Arthropoda silverfish. Which one of the following pairs of animals comprises jawless fishes? A. Lampreys and hagfishes. B. Guppies and hagfishes. C. Lampreys and eels. D. Mackerels and rohu. Correct answer is option A. Lampreys and hagfishes. Next, which one of the following is not a characteristic of phylum Annelida? A. Pseudocoelom. B. Ventral nerve cord. C. Segmentation. D. Closed circulatory system. Correct answer is option A. Pseudocoelom. Next, the adults are radially symmetrical but larvae exhibit bilateral symmetry in A. Echinodermata. B. Mollusca. C. Hemichordata. D. Cephalochordata. Correct answer is option A. Echinodermata. Next, solenocytes and metanephridia are excretory organs of A. Platyhelminthes and Annelida. B. Coelenterata and Mollusca. C. Eschhelminthes and Annelida. D. Annelida and Arthropoda. Correct answer is option A. Platyhelminthes and Annelida. Next, radial symmetry occurs in A. Coelenterata and Echinodermata. B. Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes. C. Arthropoda and Mollusca. D. Porifera and Coelenterata. Correct answer is option A. Coelenterata and Echinodermata. Next, animals with metameric segmentation, bilateral symmetry and closed circulatory system belong to phylum A. Annelida. B. Arthropoda. C. Echinodermata. D. Mollusca. Correct answer is option A. Annelida. Next, budding is a normal mode of asexual reproduction in A. Starfish and hydra. B. Hydra and sponges. C. Tapeworm and hydra. D. Sponge and starfish. Correct answer is option B. Hydra and sponges. Next, all vertebrates possess A. Renal portal system. B. Dorsal hollow central nervous system. C. Four-chambered ventral heart. D. Pharyngeal gill slits. Correct answer is option B. Dorsal hollow central nervous system. Next, besides Annelida and Arthropoda, the metamerism is exhibited by A. Cystoda. B. Chordata. C. Mollusca. D. Acanthocephala. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी चॉर्डेटा। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पार्ट सेकंड में गलती से सिस्टोडा दे दिया गया है, इसका सही आंसर बी चॉर्डेटा ही होगा। नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए मैमेलियन कैरेक्टर विदाउट एक्सेप्शन? A. The presence of milk producing gland. B. They have two pairs of limbs. C. Skin is unique in possessing hairs. D. Heterodont type of dentition. Correct answer is option C. Skin is unique in possessing hairs. Next, which one of the following characteristics is not shared by birds and mammals? A. Breathing using lungs. B. Viviparity. C. Warm-blooded nature. D. Ossified endoskeleton. Correct answer is option B. Viviparity. Next, the unique character of animals belonging to class Mammalia is A. Bipedal locomotion. B. Completely four-chambered heart. C. The presence of mammary glands. D. Fertilization is internal. Correct answer is option C. The presence of mammary glands. Next, crocodile is a reptile with four-chambered heart. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is option A. True. Next, dry skin with scales or scutes without gland is a characteristic of A. Fishes. B. Reptilia. C. Amphibia. D. Aves. Correct answer is option B. Reptilia. Next, the class name Reptilia refers to A. Presence of scales or scutes on their body. B. Presence of dry and cornified skin. C. Their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Next, choose the incorrect option about the frog. A. Cloaca present. B. Dioecious external fertilization. Oviparous indirect development. C. Body divisible into head and trunk. D. Eyes are without eyelids. Correct answer is option D. Eyes are without eyelids. Next, a characteristic observed in amphibians. A. Cold-blooded animals. B. Absence of scales. C. Three-chambered heart. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next, choose the incorrect option about hippocampus seahorse. A. Operculum present. B. Bony fish. C. Poisonous sting at tail. D. Sexes separate. Correct answer is option C. Poisonous sting at tail. Next, Buoyancy in a bony fish is maintained with the help of A. Streamlined body, B. Paired fins, C. Swim bladder, D. All of these. Correct answer is option C. Swim bladder. Next, bony fishes A. Have external fertilization, B. Are mostly oviparous, C. Show direct development, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next, which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Obelia sea pen, B. Menandrina brain coral, C. Gorgonia sea fan, D. Adamsia sea anemone. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए ओबेलिया सी पेन. ओबेलिया सी पेन ही ऑप्शन जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी तीनों जो है वो करेक्ट हैं. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. स्पॉन्जिला फ्रेश वाटर स्पंज, बी. यूस्पंजिया बाथ स्पंज, सी. एंसाइलोस्टोमा हुकवर्म, डी. एस्कैरिस रॉडवर्म. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी एस्कैरिस रॉडवर्म. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. लिविंग फॉसिल लिमुलस, बी. ऑक्टोपस डेविल फिश, सी. लोलिगो कटल फिश, डी. एप्लेसिया सी हेयर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी लोलिगो कटल फिश. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. एस्टेरियास स्टार फिश, बी. इकाइनस सी लिली, सी. ओफ्यूरा ब्रिटल स्टार, डी. पेट्रोमाइजन लैम्प्रे. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इकाइनस सी लिली. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. मिक्साइन हैग फिश, बी. प्रिस्टिस सॉ फिश, सी. ड्रैगन स्टिंगरे, डी. क्लेरियास डॉग फिश. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी क्लेरियास डॉग फिश. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. एक्सोसीटस फ्लाइंग फिश, बी. हिप्पोकैम्पस सी हॉर्स, सी. लेबियो मांगूर, डी. एरोफिल्लम एंजल फिश. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी लेबियो मांगूर. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. बेटा फाइटिंग फिश, बी. इक्थियोफिश लिम्ड एम्फीबिया, सी. टेरोपस फ्लाइंग फॉक्स, डी. एप्टेनोडाइट्स पेंगुइन. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इक्थियोफिश लिम्ड एम्फीबिया. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए. चैमिलियन ट्री लिजर्ड, बी. कैलोटस गार्डन लिजर्ड, सी. हेमीडक्टाइलस वॉल लिजर्ड, डी. चीलोन एलिगेटर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी चीलोन एलिगेटर.